So what do you need to know if you've been accused of the crime of chemical endangerment of a child in Huntsville, Alabama? Chemical endangerment means just what it says. It means that you have exposed a child in some way to some sort of chemical substance, some sort of substance that has endangered the child and often resulted in some sort of harm to the child. The most common version of chemical endangerment is where you have a woman who's pregnant. Maybe she was smoking marijuana, maybe she's taking crack or something like that during the term of her pregnancy. And when the child was born, the child tested positive for those drugs. That's one form. Now, fortunately for that type of criminal offense, the prosecutors are often willing to work with the person who is in trouble and kind of cut them a break. I think that that's because they probably really don't want to destroy the kid's relationship with his mother. They'd rather try to extend a helping, if not a little bit threatening, but a helping hand that says, look, Mom, if you'll go attend counseling and do what you need to do and get clean, we'll drop the criminal charges. Now, it's not always that way, but that's something that you'd want to talk to your lawyer about if that's a possibility. Now, there's other kinds of chemical endangerment cases. One type that you see is the law enforcement will do a raid on, a drug house, and when they're there, there's a bunch of whatever meth-making ingredients and chemicals and all sorts of precursors, and there's little kids running around with all these, dangerous chemicals. And so the people who are manufacturing the meth, they get charged with chemical endangerment as an additional charge. Of course, they've got more to worry about than just that charge, but that's a serious charge as well. Obviously, they need to talk to a lawyer. Chemical endangerment cases, the range of punishment varies wildly depending on the facts and circumstances. And one of the most important facts is, what was the injury to the child? In the unfortunate event that a child dies, punishment can be as much as 99 years or life in prison. Thankfully, I've not seen very many cases of that nature, and frankly, I hope I don't, because it's a terrible tragedy. But depending on how serious the injuries are to the child and other factors, what's the criminal history of the person, what are the specific events concerning what happened, that will determine what kind of a defense and how much your lawyer can help you. Obviously, if you are in any kind of a criminal jam, you need to talk to the best criminal lawyer you can. If you want our help, of course, we're happy to help you. Our phone number and contact information is below. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.